If you've been wanting to start strength training, but you're not sure where to begin, you're worried about doing something wrong, or you just don't want to get hurt, that's why I've created something new. Many people I have worked with as a personal trainer and a fitness instructor have said things like, I know I should be lifting weights, I'm worried about my knees, I have back issues, I don't really know what to do. I don't want to have an intense gym program. And these are all the reasons that I have created Strength Training Starter Kit for 50 plus. This is a 24-page guide. Included in the guide, which is downloadable and printable, are these chapters. Why strength training matters after 50. Safety first, how to lift without injury, foundational exercise library, and warm up and cool down. At the start of the foundational exercise library, the first page is how to use this starter kit. And links to the 3 videos, the 3 exclusive videos, are found there. So we have an introductory video, video number 1, where we slow things down, talk about form, have a bit more discussion and instruction while we do the entire workout. And then video number 2, a little less instruction and getting right through the workout. These are all included with your guide. The last page is a weekly activity planner. As we talk about in the guide, it is recommended to do strength training, resistance-based training to build muscle 2 times a week, minimum, maybe 3. So you can decide maybe it's Tuesday and Friday you're going to do this guide, you're going to follow along with the video, and then you can fill in the rest of your week. When are you going for a walk? As many of you know, I worked for 20 years as an occupational therapist, and I have now worked for several years as a certified personal trainer. I also have additional certifications in weight training, mat Pilates, OsteoFit for bone health. Strength training over 50 should feel supportive and safe and structured. So it's a complete beginner-friendly guide. It walks you step by step through how to strength train safely, foundational exercises with clear instructions, and exclusive follow-along workouts. Everything is designed specifically for adults over 50. It's never too late to get stronger, and you can absolutely do this. To go check it out, I will link this in the description and the pinned comment. The 24-page guide plus the 3 exclusive videos is priced at $19. Compare that to a gym membership or even dropping classes. Get going on a safe, effective strength training program. If you know somebody else who would love this, you can send this video to them. I'm so glad you're checking this out. Let's build strength, confidence, and stability together, one workout at a time. I'll see you there.